Be honest, did you achieve your goals for 2023? Are you currently making 10K a month or have your dream aesthetic body? If you clicked on a video like this, the answer is probably no. Every year you set these big resolutions, but you always forget about them and waste another year of your life. You feel stuck, unable to make a comeback. This ends today. I'm making this video to hopefully give you some motivation to get back on track. And I'm also going to tell you about a very simple practice that could save you years of your life. You are still a loser because you don't have the discipline to stick with something and really give it your all. How do you expect to become successful when you aren't spending every second of the day obsessing over it? You can't just make goals and wait for them to be achieved by doing nothing. You need to actually put in the work. Everybody sets goals, yet only a few manage to follow through and succeed. So what separates these high-status guys from you? They don't wait for success to come to them, they forcefully take it. Fix your weak mindset that's keeping you too scared to do anything. What are my friends gonna think of this? Will they laugh at me if they find out about my self-improvement habits? Who gives a fuck? If they would shame you for trying to improve yourself, it means they don't actually care about you. So stop caring about them. Or better yet, cut them off. Grab life by the balls and take what's yours. If you want to be in the top 1% of men, you have to beat 99% of men. You have to work harder than them, every day, with no rest. The people you look up to aren't having balanced lives, and neither should you. Here is the simple practice I was talking about earlier. Visualize yourself as this productive, disciplined guy or whatever that translates to for the thing you want to excel at. See yourself as the productive entrepreneur who can work endlessly, or as the disciplined athlete who goes to the gym even when he doesn't feel like it, and really believe you are the best in your field. You want to do this for 5 minutes every day to set your new identity into stone. Imagine you are at a party. A guy gets offered a cigarette and he says, "No, I'm trying to quit smoking." And another guy gets offered the same cigarette but says, "No, I don't smoke." Who do you think is more likely to be convinced to smoke later that night? Obviously the first guy. Self-belief is the most underrated way to make sure you stick to the habits you set, so don't overlook it, thinking it's too wishy-washy for you. Figure out the main desire you have right now, and dedicate every second of 2024 towards it. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's not going to be easy, but I guarantee that if you keep at it every day, even through your darkest times, it will all be worth it in the end.